Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu on a Mobile Skyline Emulator. First, you'll need to download the Skyline Emulator application. Make sure your mobile device has at least 6 GB of RAM and a powerful processor for smooth gameplay. After installation, you'll need to acquire and install the correct firmware and production keys to get the emulator running properly. This ensures compatibility and optimal performance. Next, you'll need to get your hands on the Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu game file. Remember to always obtain game files legally, for example, by dumping them from your own game cartridge. Once you have the file, transfer it to your mobile device. It's a good idea to create a specific folder for your emulator games to keep everything organized and easy to find within the Skyline app. Now, let's dive into the emulator settings to get the best experience. You'll want to balance graphics quality with performance. Sometimes lowering the resolution slightly can make a big difference. Customize your on-screen controls to fit your play style, or connect a Bluetooth controller for a more traditional feel. Don't forget to enable performance enhancements like asynchronous shaders for smoother frame rates. Finally, you're ready to launch Pokémon Let's Go Pikachu. Open the Skyline Emulator, select your game, and start your adventure. With the right setup, you should experience stable gameplay and good performance. Remember to save your game frequently within the emulator, just as you would on a console, to ensure your progress is always safe. Have fun catching 'em all.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.